Today we're going to learn how to do conversations in Scratch using the broadcast message and when I receive blocks. In the Conversation Studio on the Scratch website, you'll find a project called Penguin Jokes. The link is in the description. This project is a conversation between a penguin and a koala, and it is done using wait blocks. One character talks, then the other one waits, then that character talks, and the other one waits, and so on and so forth. Let's play it. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Nope. What then? Icebergers. What other jokes do you have? Let's look inside the project. If you click on the code for the penguin, you'll see that there's a green flag. Click the green flag to start the project, and the penguin says hello for 2 seconds, and then there's a wait block. During that 2 seconds, the koala says, hi there, and then the koala waits. It goes back and forth like that. This way is okay. It gets the job done. But what happens if you decide that you've left out a line and you want to insert one into the middle of the conversation? Now the timing is all messed up for the other character and for the current sprite going forward. There's a better way to do this. I'm going to remix this project. I'm still going to say hello, start with the say hello block, but instead of using the wait block after the penguin says hello, I'm going to use a broadcast and wait block, which is under events. Right now we don't have any messages, so we'll create a new message. I like to name my messages according to what just happened, not what's going to happen, because you might change your mind later on about what's going to happen. Right now, the penguin has just said hello, so we'll call this message Penguin Said Hello. Now what we need to do is go to the other sprite, the koala, and instead of waiting 2 seconds, we're going to receive that message. Oops, I grabbed the wrong one. We don't need this wait block anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. And then the penguin is going to say hi there for 2 seconds. Instead of waiting, we'll add another broadcast message block. Actually, what I want to do here is broadcast and wait. The difference is broadcast says, I finished what I'm doing, but the rest of the project continues to execute. What we actually want is broadcast and wait. What that will do is the penguin will say what it wants to say, the koala will say hi there, and then it'll tell the penguin that it's done, but nothing else will happen until the penguin receives that message and then continues the execution of the code. I'm going to create a new message that says, koala said hi there. Now these lists are in here because I've done this project before. Let's test it. This is called iterative development. You change one little thing and then you test it, and then you change one more thing and then you test it again. What you don't want to do is make a whole bunch of changes to your project and then test it only to find out you've made a mistake somewhere early on. It's better if you make one small change and then test it every step of the way. Let's see if this is working so far. Hello. Hi there. Okay. So let's go back to this penguin sprite. And now we're going to receive koala said hi there. And we can get rid of this wait block. We don't need it anymore. And then the koala is, or the penguin's going to say, do you know what penguins love to eat? Then we're going to broadcast. And I'm going to call this message Penguin Told Joke. Now let's go back to the sprite for the koala. We can get rid of the wait block. And grab a when I receive. And we're going to change it to Penguin Told Joke. All right, let's test it again. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? What then? What other jokes do you have? Okay, now the reason this continued execution when we didn't want it to is because I forgot to disconnect these. Now if we play it again, the block down here won't run. Let's try again. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Okay, so now the execution of the program has stopped at fish. And we need to broadcast and wait. And we're going to broadcast the message, koala said fish. Now we'll go back to the penguin sprite. We're going to receive koala said fish, get rid of the wait block, and continue execution of our program. But instead of doing the wait block, we want to broadcast and wait and change this message to koala said nope. We'll go back to the koala, receive the message, koala said nope, and then continue on. Get rid of the wait block. We're going to say what then? Then we'll broadcast and wait, create a new message called koala said what then? We'll go back and receive. Koala said what then? Then we'll deliver the punchline. Get rid of that wait block. Then we want to broadcast and wait. And we'll call this message Penguin Told Joke. All right, let's test it again. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Nope. What then? Icebergers. Uh-oh, it looks like our execution is continuing. So let's go to the koala. Oh, I think I chose the wrong message here. So when I receive, it should say penguin said nope. Because this is the koala. Okay. I think I've fixed the problem there. And then this shouldn't execute at all because it's not triggered by an event. It's disconnected from the rest of the project, which is what we want for now. We can save the project. It does save automatically, but it's good to save it periodically in case you have an internet outage. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Nope. All right. Why didn't it continue? When I received, penguin said nope. Okay, because we need to change this broadcast. Remember I used koala said nope by accident? This should have been penguin said nope. All right, let's try again. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Nope. What then? Icebergers. All right, so it's still going on and saying fish. We need to figure out what's going on here. Let's make sure that penguin is always broadcasting penguin said something. So here we have penguin said hello, penguin told joke, penguin said nope, and then, oh, it shouldn't be penguin told joke. This should be a new message called penguin said icebergers. That's what's going on. It does get a little confusing with all of the messages. You have to be careful how you name them. Now I think this should work. I'm going to save it and click the green flag. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Nope. What then? Icebergers. All right, now it's working. And did you notice that when this code block runs, it's highlighted in yellow, so it helps you out. I also like to rename my sprites. So I'm going to call this sprite penguin. Probably should have done this earlier. And this one, koala. It just makes it easier if you then are using variables or collisions, something like that. Okay, so where we left off is we broadcasted the message, koala said, what then? And penguin received it. Then we broadcasted, penguin said icebergers. So we'll have to receive that. Let's receive, penguin said icebergers. Get rid of this wait block. Now this is a little different. We switch costumes to surprised for the koala. Then we play a laugh sound. And then the koala says, what other jokes do you have? Now that should be the end. We don't need to receive that message because nothing else happens after that. All right, let's test it one last time. And notice this time how the code blocks light up yellow as they're being executed. Hello. Hi there. Do you know what penguins love to eat? Fish? Nope. What then? Icebergers. What other jokes do you have? Okay, so our project is working and all the timing is good. We don't have any wait blocks, and if we wanted to add another line in the conversation, we could do that without having to change all of the timing from that point forward. So that's how you use the broadcast message block to have conversations between two sprites. It can also be used for actions. It doesn't have to be conversations. It can be transferring control from one sprite to another in a game. Thanks for watching. Keep on scratching.